Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by verifying your Windows 10 or Windows 11 laptop has Bluetooth enabled and working properly. Open the AirPods case and keep the lid open beside your computer. Press and hold the small setup button on the case for 5 seconds until the LED flashes white. Stay within 2 meters of the PC to avoid signal drops and interference from other devices. Also ensure airplane mode is off, and that no other Bluetooth audio device is actively connected on the computer. On your Windows PC, open Settings and go to Devices, then Bluetooth and Other Devices. Click Add Bluetooth or Other Device and choose Bluetooth from the list of options. Your AirPods should appear in the device list within 30 seconds while their case LED flashes white. Click the AirPods name to connect and accept any pairing prompts that appear on screen. Finally, open Sound Settings and select the AirPods as the default playback and microphone device for applications and system audio. If pairing fails, reset the AirPods by placing them in the case and holding the setup button for 15 seconds. Remove the AirPods from Bluetooth settings, then click Add Device again to repair cleanly. Update Windows Bluetooth drivers in Device Manager if audio profiles like A2DP or hands-free do not appear. Also open Sound Settings to set the AirPods as both default playback and default communication devices. If audio still fails, restart the Bluetooth support service and reboot the computer to apply changes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.